everybody. Click on exactly 100 k's. We've just come into the, I suppose you can't call it the city limits, the village limits of Sehitwa. Can't tell you what time it is because I haven't got a dashboard clock, but I'm guessing it's must be 7:30. Oh, there we are. Okay, my phone did come on. 7:34. Oh, there we go. I've solved my dashboard clock problem. Because somehow when I tapped my phone, it woke up. Or it woke up that time. With my glove on. Anyway, 7:34. Coming into Sehitwa, I'm gonna. Road's been beautiful. Cows and donkeys and horses. Is a normal course of stuff. I'm gonna fill up with gas, and then on to Gumare. It's a right turn. The road straight was the original route I was going to do. It takes you Khanzi, Charles Hill, I think, through the border straight to Windhoek, going sort of a southwest direction from Sehitwa. But I'm going to pull off almost north, almost directly north, Gumare, petrol stop after 147 k's, and then it's another 133 to Shakawe. Petrol, petrol, petrol. Oh, that's got a nice view there with the sun. Hello, there's no fuel here. Okay, is it 95?
93.
You got no 95?
I don't have 95.
Is there another fuel stop here?
I don't know. It's only one.
Just you guys?
It's only Gumare
And Gumari's got fuel? But I wonder if they got 95.
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, I suppose I better put her. Okay. Just pushing the mic backwards while I'm on it. Alright, we're going to have to fill up with 93. Switch off.